Let's take a look at those numbers at the 11 o'clock hour. So we do have some 60s along the coast and some 70s inland spots for places like Lancaster and Victorville, but mostly in the 60s out there. So downtown Los Angeles today got up to 74 degrees. Our average this time of year is 84. So we are running 10 degrees below average there. Things will change though as we head towards next week. The winds, they're definitely calmer than they were earlier this afternoon and earlier in the evening. But as we head into tomorrow, we'll see those southwest gusty winds pick up once again through those usual spots out in places like our desert locations and in through the valleys and in the Inland Empire. As far as the cooler weather, it's all thanks to that low pressure system that is dropping down into our area, and that will continue to be the case over the next couple of days. As we head towards the weekend, high pressure is going to start strengthening once again, and we're going to warm things up, especially as we head into next week. But for tomorrow morning, expect more of that marine layer, even into inland spots. We'll get some of that cloud cover. So here we are at almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and you can see some of that cloud cover over parts of the valleys out into the Santa Clarita valleys and also into the Inland Empire. By the afternoon hours, that's going to clear out and mostly sunny skies are expected. So temperature wise, again, very similar to today. We'll continue below average. So that's going to be upper 60s along the coast, even into the 70s. For inland spots, we'll see plenty of 70s and 80s, and then a little warmer in our deserts with some 90s and triple digit heat for places like Palm Springs. That 7-day forecast showing us that gradual warm up, especially as we head towards the weekend. So the next 2-3 days still expected to be below average, but as we head especially towards Sunday and we get into next week, we'll get actually above average, and we'll see an increase in temperatures for some of our inland spots, jumping close to 10 degrees for places like the valleys tomorrow in the low 80s. By next Wednesday, we're going to be in the low to mid 90s. For the IE tomorrow, expect 89 degrees. In a week from now, we're looking at almost 100 degrees. And then the high desert, very warm once again tomorrow in the 90s, comfortable in our mountains in the 70s. So enjoy this cooler weather over the next couple of days because yes, the heat is on the way.